Yo guys, so this is a PC fan that projects 3D holograms inside your PC. And this is called the Holo Fan from Coolify. As per usual guys, we'll check its physical overview, test its features and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So what do we get inside the box? The Holo Fan obviously, 4 screws, and the manual. And that's about it. Now let's check out its overall design and features. The Coolify Holo Fan features a unique 3D floating holographic effect, made possibly by its projection arm and transparent fan blades. As the fan spins, it creates a hologram display that looks like it's floating in mid-air. The design itself is fully transparent, from the blades down to the fan base, giving it a crystal clear appearance and making the visuals stand out even more. It comes with a 4.1-inch display area, powered by high-quality LEDs with ultra-fine pixel pitch, capable of displaying full-color visuals in sharp detail. What makes it more interesting is that you can customize what appears on the fan. Through the Spin 3D app, you can upload your own image, logos, GIFs, or even short animations, allowing you to fully personalize your setup. One thing to keep in mind that the fan runs at a fixed speed, since it only has 2 cable connectors for the power and the ground. The fan is built with double ball bearings for durability and rated to operate 12 volts with typical power consumption around 10 watts. Since this is the first generation of the Holo Fan, Coolify mentions that it may produce a slightly higher noise compared to regular fans, and you might notice minor image flickering at the higher speeds due to real-time image correction. Lastly, the fan draws a bit more power than usual, so if you're planning to use multiple units, it is best to connect them directly to your power supply using separate cables. I guess that's all for its features, but if you want to know more, you can check this out and pause the video. Now let's check out the software. So this is called the Spin 3D, and each fan has its own Wi-Fi signal. This means you need to connect to the fan's Wi-Fi before you can use the app to control it. Once connected, this is where you can upload the image or video you want to appear in the hologram. There are a few more features in the app, but I've been having a hard time getting them to work properly since the app itself is a bit glitchy, so that's kinda disappointing. Anyway, let's move into the conclusion and let's talk about the possible problems and improved features of this product. Let's start with the first problem, the fixed fan speed. Personally, I prefer having control over fan speed either manually or automatically through the motherboard software. I understand that changing the fan speed might ruin the hologram display, but it would have been interesting if they designed a system that could feature different holograms depending on the fan speed. Though I'm not sure if that will work, but it's just an idea. Hopefully, Coolify will be able to do this in the second generation. Second problem is the mobile app control is a terrible idea. Using Wi-Fi for each fan individually isn't really practical. Just imagine having 10 fans in your PC. Well, good luck with modifying all of those fans. Since this is meant to be used inside a PC, it makes more sense to have a dedicated software in the PC that can control all of the fans in one place instead of each fan broadcasting its own Wi-Fi signal. Well, the hologram concept is really creative and the final visual output is awesome. In my opinion, it has the potential to make the RGB design fans obsolete, but it needs a lot of work on the control side and the fan speed. The build quality, on the other hand, is solid and feels durable, giving premium impression right out of the box. However, I cannot fully recommend this fan yet. The concept is really cool and the hologram effect is really impressive, but there are too many practical issues that holds it back. The fixed fan speed limits the customization. The app setup is clunky and each fan is using its own Wi-Fi, and the holograms themselves still needs more refinement to be consistently functional. If you're someone who just want to look at holograms and don't care much about fan controls or PC integration, it could be still a fun try. But for anyone looking for practical, customizable PC fan solution, this isn't there yet. Anyway, if you still want to get one today, you can check out the links in the description below, and if you think this is not for you, then check out the other PC fan reviews we have on your screen. So that's it guys, this is Mac, thanks for watching and we'll see you all in the next one.